closed near the high itself. And today we are expecting crude to open around 4250. This is the zone where we are expecting crude to open. And again, there is no doubt that because of comparing the opening, closing, and the today's opening, the market is still in very good, healthy buy run. Because, but one doubt that is from 2000, from 4000, it is a very 2-day bull run. We almost 300 points gain. So the market can just come drop down and then it can bounce back. Moreover, today you have some major news that can hit the market. Around 6 o'clock you have some major news, and also around 8 o'clock you have crude oil inventory report. So that can give clear price direction for crude oil. So till then you can go for a buy. Till what zone you can buy is that till 4000 to yesterday's to have this as a zone 4180. Till 4180 you go for a buy and have 4170 as a stop loss. This is a zone which if the price is breaking below this zone, there are possibilities that the market can reverse and drop a bit and test this 4100 and 4060 these zones. It can be tested. So today what we can do is that just in the morning sessions you can trade, you can go for an averaging if the price is dropping, but be careful while averaging. Whenever you get profit for the average, look it and wait for around 6 o'clock. That might be a good news that can hit the market, that can provide volatility. And also around 8 o'clock you have crude oil inventory report. Be careful while trading. And also you can book profit. The maximum is 4320 if the price is breaking 4320, and if it is staying, it should stay above that. This marks the area for $90. So if the price is staying above $90, then it can go up to $94 or $95. So that means you can, but what we expect today is that the market will be in buy run. That is, the market will maintain its uptrend, but there will be a drop also. So be careful while trading. Let's see what's going to happen in crude in the evening session. And let us see what's happened in copper. This is the price opening of copper. Copper opened around 418. This is the zone where the copper opened. What we expected yesterday is that if the price is staying above 4090, that can produce some buying, and it can go till 4022. That is what we expected in copper. Let's see what happened. After the price opened here, the market just went and broke this zone. So it gave a break above 4419, and then it consolidated and then just dropped. And then after staying above that, the market got some support from the average, and also since the resistance was broken, it went up to 4422, and then there was a drop, and it closed around 419.8. And comparing the opening and the closing, this is just the price has closed above the opening, and today we can expect copper to open around 418. This is a zone of 417 to 18. This is a zone where we are expecting copper to open 418. This zone we can target that the market can open, but today it's what we can say, it is a very judgment day whether the market should continue its trend or it will maintain. There is a 50-50 probability for copper, because the market it has bounced back from the low, and then it tested the key area, retracement area, and now it's staying in this zone. So today you can take two chances in copper. One is that if the price is going to stay below this 420 or this 421, it can drop a bit, it can drop and test this 412. Or if the price today, if the price can break above 422, and if there is any closing above 422, the market will maintain its uptrend. That is, buying trend can be maintained in copper. But probably our chances for today, what we hope is that you can go short in market. That is, we want to test the market with a sell, and then after confirmation you can go for a buy. So today our observation is that sell till 420.5 and maintain 420.1 as stop loss. So you can go for a selling till that is this zone. This is purely based, we want to test the market. If the clients is interested in going for a buying, you can go for 400. Still you can buy 416 till you can this zone. You can test, buyers can test this zone, and sellers can hit this zone. This is the two area where you can test and make get confirmation from the market. We prefer that we are expecting that considering your long term view, we can be there drop today. The same thing holds good for copper also. Yeah, wait for till A6. You can have some major news that can impact the market. And if there is a selling, you can expect 414, 412. This is the zone we are expecting. Let us see what's going to happen in copper today. Next thing we can see how we can trade in zinc mini. This is the price opening in zinc mini. We expected the zinc mini to maintain its uptrend yesterday, and after opening at around 103.2, the market then consolidated and went higher, and it went till 105. This is a good thing. The zinc went nearly, it has gained 1.5 point approximately, and then it gave a drop and tested the opening completely. It just came below the opening and consolidated and closed around 103.8. Today we are expecting zinc to open around 103.6, that is just near this the same previous day closing. Comparing the opening closing, previous day's opening and closing, it is just above that, closed above the opening. And also today's opening, if you compare that, it is going to be more or less a neutral thing. So today we can take a chance in zinc mini. If you want to take a chance in zinc mini, there are two things you can do, because if there some days you can market can be like that. The market will be 50-50 for buyers and sellers. So in those zones we need to take a decision whether we are going for the buy or sell. Buyers, you can buy till 102.5 and you can maintain 102 as a stop loss, and seller, you can go for 104.5 sell till 104.5 and maintain 105 as a stop loss. These two things you can do it today, because the market will be a little bit confused. There might be some buying and selling, but that is up to the clients to decide whether you're going for buying or selling. Both the things can happen, so you need to decide on these things. What we prefer is that let us test the market with the selling. That is what we prefer, to go sell till 104.5 and maintain 105 as a stop loss, and let's see what's going to happen after that. But it is 50-50 chance for both buyers and sellers. You can decide on your own whether the market, because there are, after the price opening, you need to watch the market where the buying and selling is, whether where the market pressure is building, and then you can decide very well. If there is a confusion, just wait and wait for few hours, and then you can decide on that. Let's see what's going to happen today. Happy trading, clients. Take care. Bye.